This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable microphone access in the Epic Privacy Browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Epic Privacy Browser opened up now. To enable or disable microphone access, the first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the three-dot menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the Settings page, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, you want to go down toward the bottom where it says Site Settings and click on Site Settings. And then in the Permission section, right down here, Microphone. I'm going to click on Microphone. Right up the top up here, you have a little drop down to select your microphone. Then down below that, Default Behavior. Sites automatically follow this setting when you visit them. By default, the top one is probably toggled on, as you see mine is. Sites can ask to use your microphone. If you toggle on the bottom one down here, don't allow sites to use your microphone. Down below that, you can customize behavior for particular websites. As you can see, I don't have any websites down here. But that is how to enable or disable microphone access on the Epic Privacy Browser. Thanks for watching.